Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are presenting some ideas on metal furniture. Metal furniture has become a defining element in contemporary interior and exterior design, known for its sleek aesthetics, durability, and versatility. From minimalist chairs to industrial-inspired tables, metal furniture has made a significant impact on the way we furnish and adorn our living spaces. Let's explore the unique qualities and design possibilities that metal furniture brings to both indoor and outdoor environments. One of the primary attributes of metal furniture is its durability and strength. Materials such as steel, iron, aluminum, and stainless steel are common used in the construction of metal furniture, providing robust structures that can withstand the test of time. The durability makes metal furniture an ideal choice for both residential and commercial settings, where the demand for sturdiness and longevity is high. Metal furniture often boasts a sleek, modern aesthetic, making it a popular choice for contemporary interior design. The clean lines and industrial-inspired designs of metal chairs, tables, and shelving contribute to a minimalist and sophisticated look. The versatility of metal allows for various finishes, including polished chrome, brushed steel, or powder-coated colors, providing options to match different design preferences. One of the iconic examples of metal furniture is the classic Eames chair, designed by Charles and Ray Eames. This chair, with its molded aluminum frame and sleek curves, exemplifies the marriage of form and function that is characteristic of well-designed metal furniture. The Eames chair has become an enduring symbol of mid-century modern design, showcasing the timeless appeal of metal in furniture craftsmanship. Metal dining tables offer contemporary and industrial vibe to dining spaces. Whether it's a sleek stainless steel table or a more rustic iron and wood combination, metal dining tables provide a durable and stylish focal point for family meals and gatherings. The use of metal in dining furniture allows for creative and sculptural designs, adding an element of artistry to functional pieces. In the realm of outdoor furniture, metal is a popular choice due to its resistance to elements. Aluminum and wrought iron are frequently used in the construction of outdoor dining sets, lounge chairs, and benches. These materials withstand rain, sun, and varying temperatures, making metal outdoor furniture a reliable option for creating stylish and comfortable outdoor living spaces. Metal shelving and storage units offer practical solutions for organizing spaces with an industrial flair. Open metal shelvings in kitchen or living rooms provides a contemporary and airy look, showcasing items without visually cluttering the space. Metal storage cabinets and bookshelves with sleek lines and geometric designs contribute to a modern and organized interior. Metal beds and bed frames bring a touch of contemporary elegance to the bedrooms. The use of materials like wrought iron or steel in bed design allows for intricate artistic headboards and footboards. The minimalist appeal of metal bed frames complements various bedroom styles, from urban lofts to more traditional settings. Metal furniture's adaptability extends beyond the residential sphere to commercial spaces. Cafes, restaurants, and offices often incorporate metal chairs, tables, and shelving to create a modern and dynamic atmosphere. The ability of metal furniture to withstand heavy use while maintaining its aesthetic appeal makes it a practical choice for high-traffic areas. The sustainability of metal furniture is another aspect worth noting. Many metal furniture pieces are recyclable, and the production process can be designed to minimize environmental impact. Additionally, the longevity of metal furniture reduces the need for frequent replacements, contributing to a more sustainable approach to furnishing spaces. Metal furniture has evolved beyond its industrial origins to become a design powerhouse in contemporary interior and exterior settings. Its durability, sleek aesthetics, and adaptability makes it a versatile choice for various design styles and applications. Whether it's a minimalist chair, an industrial-inspired table, or outdoor furniture that withstands the elements, metal furniture continues to shape and elevate the way we experience and interact with our living spaces. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.